Experiment is to observe and measure the voltage and current waveform of the series RLC circuit using DSO and multimeter, and to find the voltage, current, power and power factor of the series RLC circuit and draw the phasor diagram. First we will see how to use DSO. DSO is digital storage oscilloscope. With the help of DSO, we can see the voltage waveform. There are two channels, channel 1, channel 2. With these channels, we can observe the input voltage as well as output voltage. Yellow color shows channel 1 and blue color shows channel 2.
Yes.
Here we can see the frequency and peak to peak voltage.
Yes.
To observe the applied voltage waveform, we have to connect channel 1 of DSO across the RLC circuit. Red probes shows positive terminal and black probes shows negative terminal. This is the waveform which shows peak to peak value, that is 14.6 volt. Because we are applying 5 volt voltage from the variac whose values is in RMS.
Yes.
This is variac, that is auto transformer, from which we are giving supply to the loads. This is R load, that is variable R load. Here we can change different resistance in ohms and kilo ohms. Similarly, there are variable inductive loads in millihenry and henry and variable capacitive load in microfarad. With the help of these loads, we can change different values of inductance and capacitance.
Yes.
With multimeter, we are getting voltage in RMS, and with DSO, we are getting voltage in peak to peak.
Yes.
This is RLC series circuit where R, L, C are connected in series. Therefore, we will connect load in series. R is connected in series with L. L is connected in series with C. We are supplying voltage with the help of variac across this RLC connection. Multimeter connected across the variac is reading 5.01 volt RMS value. 10 volt. Load connected have values L 1000 millihenry, capacitance 3 microfarad, resistance 10 kilo ohm, frequency 50 Hz. You can calculate reactance and impedance with these values. For observation table, practically obtained values of current, voltage and power are: V is applied voltage, that is 5.04 volts, measured with help of multimeter. We have connected, for measuring current, we have connected ammeter in series with the circuit. One terminal of ammeter is connected with the main supply and second terminal with R load in series.
Yes.
Current in series is 0.48 millihenry. Now we measure individual voltage across R, L and C with the multimeter. To measure voltage across R, connect multimeter across R load and take reading, that is 5.0 volt. Similarly, connect multimeter across inductor as well as capacitor and take voltage reading. Voltage across R is VR 4.95 volt. Voltage across inductor that is VL is 0.014. Voltage across capacitor is VC, that is 0.524. These are the voltage when we are supplying 5.04 volt with the help of variac. Also, we can calculate power from P equals to VI cos phi. For calculating this power, first we have to calculate power factor, that is cos phi. You can calculate it from cos phi equal to R by Z. We are having R and Z values. From here, multiply voltage, applied voltage and supply current with power factor, you will get total power. And also we can calculate current and individual voltage while applying supply voltage as 10 volt and 15 volt. We can measure current 0.99 and for 15 volt current is 1.5. For these supply voltage 10 and 15 volt, we can take individual voltages. According to that, you can calculate the power consumed by the loads.